Now, starting this broadcast with the latest from the United Kingdom, where the country is reporting over 200,000 COVID-19 cases on a daily basis. But despite an increase in the number of infections, Prime Minister Boris Johnson has said that the country can ride out the latest Omicron variant without needing a further lockdown. Expressing hope in battling the current rise in infections, Prime Minister Johnson said that the country will maintain Plan B measures, which includes a vaccine booster drive and maintaining caution among the people, which, according to the British Prime Minister, is enough to constrain the latest wave.
Together with the Plan B measures that we introduced before Christmas, we have a chance to ride out this Omicron wave without shutting down our country once again. We can keep our schools and our businesses open, and we can find a way to live with this virus. But the weeks ahead are going to be challenging, both here in the UK and across the world. There is no escaping the fact that some services will be disrupted by staff absences.
The Plan B measures were introduced in England last month, which included people wearing face masks in public transport and shops. However, it ruled out any restrictions on gatherings and shutting down of businesses. Speaking from Downing Street in his first press conference of 2022, UK Prime Minister also said that the latest variant of COVID-19 is milder than the previous variants, further reiterating on mitigating the virus with booster vaccines. The assurances come at a time as many industries face staffing problems over the number of workers self-isolating with COVID and with people struggling to get tests over Christmas amid supply and demand issues. And in a bid to tackle this problem, Johnson announced that 100,000 workers in critical industries will be asked to take daily tests to prevent mass staff shortage from the 10th of January.
We've identified 100,000 critical workers in areas from food processing to transport to our border force. And from the 10th of January, we'll be rolling out lateral flow testing for all these workers available on every working day. We'll be sending testing kits directly to these organisations and liaising with them on the logistics.
As of now, the UK government intends to continue with Plan B restrictions, which include working from home where possible, mask wearing in most public settings and COVID passports in some venues. All the rules which are currently due to run out on the 28th of January. Meanwhile, UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson is all set to hold a crunch cabinet meeting on COVID rules later today. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.